Hi and welcome back to another New Music New Me with me, Corey, where I review the latest drops, the latest music releases, and probably take on a new persona of that song for the entirety of the week. As you know how much I love this woman, I adore her, I think she's great. She makes me think I can speak Spanish. I cannot, but she makes me feel like I can. Becky G, she is back with another bop. So I am really excited to listen to this. I saw her post it on her Instagram the other day and I was like, oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my Jesus. So without further ado, we're just going to crack on. We're going to get into it. I hope you enjoy this because I am so excited. I love this sort of music. I am... Vibes. Yes. I love it. I love music like this. Where's Becky though? Come on. My name is Bex. Strong. I love it. Okay, so I feel like Becky's gonna come in now and I'm getting excited. So far, I love it. It's a bop. It makes me dance. It got my butt in the air, like, well, I got off the sofa, but I love it. I love music like this. It just makes you feel good, and obviously it's summer and everything. And it is such a feel good. Here she comes. I can hear her. Oh, English now. Oh, we're picking it up. I love her. Isabella. I'm gonna like that if it did remind me of Twilight. And he's like, Isabella. I do not go, blah, blah, blah. Oh my god. Alright, tune. What a tune. That was good. That was actually really good. I liked that. I wish Becky came in sooner, because obviously it was very much, he did like a minute and a half, she did a minute and a half, because it is like just shy of like 3 minutes. Yeah, that does have to 3, does? Yeah, 1.5. Yeah, it does. It was like he did half, she did half. So I kind of wish she came in and they sung a bit more like together. It gave me vibes like Calm Down with Selena Gomez. I know that's the same type of thing that I think they're going for. The same as, obviously Camilla did that, didn't she? So she did, was it Colosa? I am here for this. It was a bop. It was, I'm going to say 9 out of 10. Purely just because of the beat. Purely beat. It was just, yeah. It made me want to dance. And I will be dancing to that forever. I will be coming out to this song at my funeral. Alive. Yes, love it. But yes, that is from me. What did you guys think of it though? But I love it. I love it.